Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adinia Wirasti. My student ID 240107003 and I'm from class 4A. Today I want to talk about two very important videos. The first is plastic pollution, how humans are turning the world into plastic, and what really happened to the plastic you throw away. Plastic is something we use every day. We use plastic bottles, plastic bags, food packaging, and many other things. It makes our life easier, faster, and more practical. But have you ever really thought about this question? What happened to plastic after they throw it away? Does it disappear? Or does it stay somewhere and create problem for the environment? In this video, I will explain the story of plastic, the problem it creates, and what we can learn from it. The first video talks about plastic. Plastic is made from oil and gas. It is strong, light, cheap, and used in many things in daily life. But using too much plastic is a problem. Plastic takes a very long time to break down and can be very small pieces called microplastic. This can enter the food chain and affect humans. And the second video shows what happened to plastic after we threw it away. One bottle goes to a landfill and pollutes the soil and water. Another bottle goes to a river and then to the ocean, where it harms animals. And the last bottle is recycled and become a new product. From the first video, humans have produced about 83 billion tons of plastic. This is a fairly large amount. Most of it becomes waste, around 3 billion tons, and only 9% is recycled. Every year, about 8 million tons of plastic go into the ocean. Because of this, around 90% of seabirds have eaten plastic. This shows that plastic pollution is a serious problem. From the second video, plastic can take to 1000 years to decompose, so it stays in the environment for a very long time. It also creates toxic liquid in the landfill and spread into the ocean, forming places like the Great Pacific Garbage Path. Plastic breaks into microplastic and can enter the food chain, which means it can also affect humans. The two videos use different ways to explain their ideas. The first video used cause and effect structure. It explained how plastic was created and how it leads to environmental problems. It focused more on data, explanation, and global impact. And the second video used a chronological or story structure. It shows the journey of plastic step by step, which makes it easier to understand. In my opinion, the first video is more informative because it gives more facts and data. And the second video is more emotional because it tells a story that we can imagine. Now let's think more deeply with some what if question. What if plastic had never been invented? Maybe the environment would be cleaner with less pollution in land and the ocean. But at the same time, would be more difficult. Many modern products would be more expensive, heavier, or less practical. All plastic bottles were recycled, like the third bottle, the environment would be much cleaner. There would be less waste in landfills and the ocean. Animals would be safer and we could reduce the use of natural resources like oil. Third, what if I was the person who threw plastic in the ocean? I would be felt responsible for the damage. Next time I would throw my waste properly, recycle more and try reduce using plastic. The conclusion is from this video I learned that plastic is useful but be dangerous if we use too much and do not manage it well. The main problem is human behavior. Now I feel more aware and want to use less plastic, recycle more and care about the environment. I hope small action can help reduce plastic pollution and protect our planet. Let's start with small action, use less plastic and recycle more. Our future depends on what we do today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video useful. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.